and I'm proud to present today some great modelers and designers. Brett Gupta from Blokify, who's created this app that really democratizes manufacturing. If you have a finger, you have an iPad, you can actually 3D print now, straight from your iPad. I'd like to welcome to the stage Brett Gupta.
Hey Keith, you can keep this. Got it on here. Hi everybody, as Keith said, I'm Brett. I'm from Blokify. We're a recent startup company that just started 6 months ago, and we put our app out on the App Store on January 2nd. We're really excited to be here with 3DS, so what I'm here to do is give you a demo of our product and show you kind of why the magic of Blokify works. So as you can see, maybe not yet. Well, I'll give you a background on the company while I try to work out the iPad airplane up there. Let's give it one more shot. All right, there we go. So when you open the Blokify app, you're launched into an immersive environment. So this is a castle theme that we have up there. And the build area has very intuitive touch gestures. You're able to move around, pan with one finger, or spin around the environment and zoom in and zoom out. Now, since modeling software is relatively hard, we've come up with a block-based modeling system. All you have to do is select on a drawer and pick from a suite of textured blocks that we have. Since we're in the castle theme, I'll go ahead and select the stone block. And I'm going to quickly build a small castle on the screen. As you can see, it's really easy for me to build. All I'm doing is tapping my finger to place a block. All right, so now we have the base walls of the castle. What if I want to make it a little bit more interesting? So what I do is, again, go in the drawer and select a different block. So I've selected a gate block to go ahead and put that on there. Now to keep in mind, at any point in time on this is full-fledged CAD software. I'm able to export this model and 3D print it. So let's make it a little bit more interesting first. So if I'm able to press and hold on a block, I can mass add multiple blocks. Now that was the incorrect block to add. I wanted to add the stone block. All I have to do is select the undo button and it disappears. All right, so let's create a couple walls here. Okay, let's imagine this is a finished product. So now I want to show you how to print this and how easy it is to do that. All I have to do is enter into the menu screen, click 3D print, and I have two options. So the first option is order online. We'll click this button, put in your details, and what will happen is we'll fulfill it through 3D Systems Cubify service, and you'll have the model mailed to your door. Now the second option, if you're lucky to have a 3D printer at home, you click email me, and I'll send you a universal 3D printing file, which is an STL. When the STL gets to your inbox, you can use it to put it into the software for the 3D printers, and you can print it on any one of them. Now, at Blokify, we want you to be able to easily 3D print. We also want you to be able to model. And the other thing we want you to do is be able to have a community around what you're doing in 3D printing. So we want you to be able to share your models with the world. What we've done is had a share button here where you can share this model on a global social stream that anybody can access and see what you've been building. All you have to do is click Start Sharing, and my model will appear right there on the shared screen if you see the top left. Now, assume I'm another user, I'm looking for inspiration, I'm scrolling through this social stream. I click on the model, it will build on the screen, and I'll be able to copy it to my build area by pressing the copy button. And now that model's mine, I can modify it, I can make it my own in any way that I would like to. So if I wanted to change, I didn't want to add more of a gate there, I'd select it, add the gate, and now I'm able to 3D print that creation that I modeled from that. Now, some people are going to be really good models at first, and some people aren't going to be very good. So you're able to take a model from somebody else's, something possibly more complex. Let's say somebody built a pirate ship. Now they're pretty good at what they're doing. So when I copy it to my build area, I'm able to see how they model it. The button in the bottom left is able to undo how they modeled it and show you the steps they went through. And then you can also redo their modeling steps. So this is not only modeling software, it's an educational tool. The final thing I wanted to show you, as you see, the screen has changed from the castle theme. We're now in a pirate theme, so you're able to immerse yourself in the building that you're doing. On the first build, I was only using my castle blocks. Now I'm using a different set of blocks that you see further over in the tray where the blocks are, or in our kits that we have. So you get 3 set models with a kit, you get extra blocks, you get extra music, that's going to be more pirate themed, as well as each block has a different sound. So this is a great way for anybody to start modeling. It's a great way for you to model with your kids. It's a great way to get introduced into modeling. All you have to do is be able to click on it. So I want to thank everybody at 3D Systems for allowing us to be here. It's very unique that a startup company is able to do this. And I'll pass around some of the models so you guys can see how they come.